Turning $100 into serious income in 2025 is not just a dream. It's a realistic goal if you know the right steps to take. Let's dive into how you can make that happen. First, consider launching a digital product. This could be an ebook, an online course, or even a subscription service. The beauty of digital products is that they have low overhead costs and can be sold repeatedly. Think about your skills or passions. What knowledge can you share that others would find valuable? Once you identify your niche, create a product that addresses a specific problem or need. Next, you'll want to invest a portion of that $100 into promotion. Social media ads, especially on platforms like Facebook or Instagram, can be incredibly effective. You can start with a small budget, targeting specific demographics that align with your product. A well-crafted ad can lead to significant returns, so don't shy away from spending a little to gain traction. Building an email list is another crucial step. This is where you can nurture relationships with your audience. Use part of your budget to create a lead magnet, a free resource that provides value in exchange for email addresses. This could be a checklist, a mini course, or a helpful guide. Once you have their emails, you can market your digital product directly to interested customers, increasing your chances of sales. Investing in tools for upgrades is essential as well. Whether it's a better website hosting service, graphic design tools, or email marketing software, these investments can streamline your processes and enhance your product's presentation. Look for tools that offer free trials or low-cost options to start. As your income grows, you can upgrade to more robust solutions. Now, let's talk about real examples. Many successful entrepreneurs started with minimal investments. For instance, a friend of mine launched an online course on graphic design. With just $100, he created a simple website, ran targeted ads, and built an email list. Within months, he was making thousands of dollars each month. His secret? Consistency and a willingness to learn from feedback. Finally, remember that success doesn't happen overnight. It requires dedication, patience, and a willingness to adapt. Track your progress, analyze what works and what doesn't, and don't be afraid to pivot your strategy. Turning $100 into serious income is entirely possible with the right mindset and approach. Focus on creating value, promoting effectively, and building relationships with your audience. With determination and smart investments, you can achieve your financial goals in 2025.